Hey, so today is a very exciting day. I'm walking to Barrison Holly to get the engineering van keys, and I'm gonna go pick up some wood. Let's go do it.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying till it feels like I pretend.
So I just got done picking up all the wood for this Tree of Life project, which is really awesome. First went to Home Depot, got sort of the lower quality backer pieces, and then took a trip over to L Sweet Lumber where I got walnut plywood and cherry plywood. Now I'm heading back to Brown, gonna unload it. First step in the project, done.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
What I'm doing now is I'm breaking down these larger sheets of plywood into pieces that we can fit in our laser cutter. So that size is 18 inches by 32 inches. So that's what I'm doing now.
Trying to bend, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving along the road tonight. Lost my
Phase 2. So we cut up all the wood for the laser cutter and it all fits nicely. Next step is start cutting it out.
and driving.